So earlier today there was no snow. Now there is a lot of it, just a lot. To show you how deep it is. Well, that's not a deep spot. Let's go back over here somewhere. Yeah, that's a bit more deeper. I'm supposed to get a lot more over the night. Had a hell of a time to get my car here in my garage. But so yeah, still in a blizzard. I'm not sure if you can see me in the lack of light, but whoa, that's a huge drift. Let's see, what's my that is a lot of snow. That is a lot of snow. But supposed to get, they said, somewhere between 8 to 14 inches. I would imagine this is about, I don't know, 5 inches, or probably getting close to half a foot in some places, but it's a lot of snow. And it's supposed to end, well, bad stuff's supposed to end sometime tomorrow morning, but the majority of tomorrow it will last. So look at this. This is the most snow we've had all year. And why do they have their cars outside? They have garages. I don't know why, just use them. But it's a lot. It's a lot of snow, and I gotta work tomorrow. But hopefully the roads will be better than they were coming here. So anyway, guys, winter is back, and yeah, about time, especially here in Minnesota. But look at those cars just buried in it. Well, see you guys later.